In 2019, we introduced the world's first and smallest 100-watt GaN charger, which raised over $3.3 million in crowdfunding. Today, we're making the charger even smaller, with more features and available in 2 sizes. Introducing the new 65-watt and 100-watt stackable Hyperjuice with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports. With the 65-watt model, you can quick charge a laptop, tablet, and smartphone all at the same time. The 100-watt version with its 4 ports will allow you to also quick charge an additional USB device. It doesn't take much for big, awkward chargers to fall out of your wall socket. The stackable Hyperjuice, on the other hand, with its slim profile and diminutive size, not only stays close and secure to the wall, it also gives you back your outlet, supporting up to 1,500 watts of power. And this is where it gets fun. Gone are the days of fighting with coworkers over the last open spot on the power strip. Up until now, big, bulky chargers would hog up all of the outlets, leaving everyone else out in the cold. With the stackable Hyperjuice, just stack one on top of the other, and everyone can power all of their devices with just one outlet. And that allows for a whopping 1,600 watts of delicious electrical goodness. The secret to its small size and powerful punch lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that allows chargers to be smaller and more efficient. So that's the new stackable Hyperjuice. The 65-watt and 100-watt will retail for $79 and $99. But during our campaign, we're offering discounts up to 50% off. So at $39 and $49, you'll want to hurry to get yours now. Hyperjuice. Get more from the most versatile GaN charger.